Hello everyone, I'm GSR 615. This is Dr. McGinty here. Happy Friday. Everyone's made it through the first week of classes. I hope everything's going well for you. I wanted to touch base and let you all know that I will be holding the first of many optional live sessions in Zoom starting on Monday, January 29th at 12 noon Eastern Time. I'll be available at the Zoom link, and that is in the table of contents. I'll show you how to get there. That's the table of contents. Go to the Start Here module, and then if you click on Course Resources, that'll take you to this Zoom link for optional live sessions. Please note they're optional. You're not required to attend, and I will be trying to have them at various times and days throughout the semester, so if you work or have different schedules, you can have an opportunity to join us. Plan for this first session, we'll talk about just getting started with research and thinking about selecting a topic, and then I'll answer any related course questions that you have. When you want to join us at noon, you can click this Zoom link, and it'll open here and tell you to open the Zoom launcher. You don't really have to spend much time to download a lot of materials to get into Zoom. If you've never used it before, it's quite easy. So that is just a little update for this Friday. I hope everyone's week has gone well, and I'll look forward to seeing you on Monday at 12 noon Eastern if you're available. If you're not available, don't worry. I'll be recording the session, so you'll have a chance to watch the recording of that after the session occurs. Have a good weekend.